Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue east on I-22 in our fifth video in this series. We're almost out of Mississippi, starting at mile 101 at the Peppertown exit. We've run into a little rain, but we're almost out of it and we'll stop shortly to clean the windshield. We cross the natural Tombigbee River, and then ahead is the man-made shipping channel called the Tennessee-Tombigbee Waterway, also known as the Tenn-Tom Waterway, which has Marine Highway status. Marine Highway M65 serves as an extension of the surface transportation system. The M65 corridor will help mitigate the anticipated increases in freight and hazardous materials movements along the I-65 corridor from southern Alabama northward. The M65 corridor connects to the M10 corridor in Mobile and the M55 corridor in Cairo, Illinois. We enter the city of Fulton, where we'll stop and clean the windshield. We'll skip over that part. Fulton is the county seat of Itawamba County and has a population of 4,066. From here, Mississippi State Highway 25 joins I-22 for a few miles. At exit 108, we lose State Highway 25 concurrency, but at the on-ramp we gain a detour of Mississippi Highway 178, which is the state designation for the former alignment of U.S. Highway 78. We enter the town of Tremont, which has a population of 464. Tremont is the birthplace of the late country music singer Tammy Wynette.
Stand by your man.
We conclude today's video as we enter the state of Alabama. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.